Find the value of x. Welcome to Teach Mathematics with DME. In this problem, there are two right angle triangles here. We have triangle XYQ and triangle XYP. Triangle XYQ is a small right angle triangle with an included angle of 60 degrees. And triangle XYP is the bigger right angle triangle with an included angle of 45 degrees. So to find x, where is x? This is x here. We have been told that length px is 24 meters. If the entire length from here down to this point is 24 meters, then, and this is given to us as x, if pq is x meters, then we can say that qx will be 24 minus x meters. Why? Because we've been told that PQ is x and PX is 24 meters. So this PX will be 24 minus x meters. How do we find the value of x? When you look at this right angle triangle closely, you see that there is a side that is common, that is shared between the two right angle triangles. And that side is side XY. So let's call this side h meters. When we find the value of h here, it will be easier for us to find the value of x. And so how do we find the value of h? Now, I've said in my previous teachings that whenever you have two right angle triangles and there is a side that is common to the two right angle triangles, it is best to find that side first, because that side will help you to solve the problem. And so in this case, let us find the value of h. To find the value of h, we are going to consider the big right angle triangles. So I say in triangle PYX, in triangle PYX, this is the included angle given to us 45 degrees. We know the entire length of PX to be 24 meters. So YX is going to be the opposite. PY is the hypotenuse side, and the adjacent side is PX, which is 24 meters. So this is the adjacent side. So we have the value of the adjacent, which is 24. We're looking for the value of h, and that's the opposite. So using our trigonometric ratio, opposite and adjacent, we'll think about tan. The tangent of an angle is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. So we say tan 45 is equals to h. Remember, we are looking at triangle PYX over 24. So this is this over 1. Tan 45 is 1 equals to h over 24. And when we cross multiply this, we get the value of h to be equals to 24 meters. So now we have the value of h as 24 meters. H is 24 meters. Then we can think of finding the value of x. Now to find the value of x here, we consider the small right angle triangle, which is triangle XYQ. So let us look at triangle XYQ. So we say in triangle XYQ, please click on the subscribe button and click on the follow button so that you don't miss any part of my videos. And please leave your comment in the comment section. So let's move on. In triangle XYQ, we are going to consider this included angle is given to us. This is 60 degrees. It is given to us. And so the side opposite to this is to the opposite side. YX is the opposite side. XQ is the hypotenuse. And QX is the adjacent side. So we have the value of the opposite to be 24. The adjacent side is 24 minus x. So we think of the trigonometric ratio that links the opposite and the adjacent together, and that is tan. The tangent of an angle is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So we say tan 60 degrees. Remember what we have there. Tan 60 degrees will be equal to the opposite 24 over the adjacent, which is 24 minus x. Put that in brackets. Tan 60 degrees is root 3, and in decimal that will be 1.732. equals to 24 over 24 minus x. So we can cross multiply this expression. So when we do this, we have a 1.732 times 24, 1.732 times 24 minus x equals to 1 times 24, that's 24. So open up this bracket, 1.732 times 24, that will give us 41.568, and minus 1.732x equals to 24. So collect your like terms. We have 41.568 minus 24. And when we take this to the right hand side, we have plus 1.732x. So let's get the difference. The difference here is 17.569 to be equals to 1.732x. And finally, getting the value of x will be equals to, we are dividing by the coefficients, 17.569 divided by 1.732. And so finally, x is equals to 10.143 meters. And so that's the value of x. I'm going to see you in the next video.